Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's all letter the lead code question. The description of the question is as follows: that we were given a number x, a bit flip of a number x is choosing a bit in a binary representation of x and changing it to 0. Flipping it. Bit flip is nothing but considering a bit in the number and flipping it, i.e. either 1 is converted to 0 or 0 is converted to 1. So this is what flipping means. And for example 7, the binary representation is 111. We may choose any bit and we can flip it. So flipping it is nothing but changing a 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, given a number in a binary representation. We were given two integers start and goal. We need to return the minimum number of bit flips to convert start to goal. So we need to finding minimum number of flips to convert we start to goal number. So how could we do that? It's fairly simple. Let me just consider the first example. We are having a start as 10, goal as 7. So start in binary representation would be what? 10 is 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 would be what? 1010. You know, like in binary representation how we would be representing a decimal number. That's like we'll start from right to left, and in right we'll be having 2 power 0 1, followed by 2 power 1, that is 2, followed by 2 square, that is 4, followed by 2 cube, that's 8, followed by 2 power 4 16, followed by 2 power 5 32. And then we'll add the number in such a way that, like, currently we are having 10, and we'll find out the maximum number that's present here that's less than 10. So that's the maximum number present here that's less than 10 is 8. So we'll add 1 over here, and 10 minus 8 would be 2, and we'll check if 2 is present or there or not. If 2 is present, so we'll add 1 over there, and we ended up with 0. So that's how binary representation would be. Similarly for goal, what it would be, the binary representation is 7. So 7 is 4 plus 2 plus 1, so it would be 0 triple 1. So for finding out the number of flips required, I simply need to check in binary representation if these two values or these two bits are equal or not. If these two bits are not equal, then 1 will be added up to the answer. If these two bits are equal, then 1 won't be added. And given a number, we knew how we could construct a binary representation of that number, right? How we could do that is basically very simple. So I'll just call an answer to be 0, and I'll check while my start is there or my goal is there, because I need to find minimum number of flips. In the sense, like, if my goal becomes 0 but start is still there, in that case my starting bits should be flipped to 0. So I just need to process until my start and goal both becomes equals to 0. So answer would be, so I just told you I'll just add 1 to the answer if my start and goal are not having current bit to be equal. So start percent 2 not equal to goal percent 2. So got this, why I'm doing this. So I'll just try explaining you more clearly. So if given current number is 10, I'm pretty sure you knew how to find the decimal representation of 10, right? So first we'll divide 2 up with 10. So here 2 with 10 will give us a remainder of 0. So I'll just write remaining over here 0, and coefficient would be 5. So again 2 we will do with 5. So remainder would be 1, and again 2 would be with 2 2s are 4, right? So remainder would be 0. and two ones are two, so ideally we'll get 1010, and 1010 0 being the last one, 101. So we are starting from here position and we are just checking the remainder every time. So I'm just checking if my remainder for the start and goal are not equal or not. If they are not equal, in the sense the binary representation is different for both of them, so I'm just incrementing answer by 1. And after that, what we are doing is start by 2. So here you could see we are just doing start by 2, and 5 by 2 is again 2, so we are just doing start upon equal to 2, goal upon equal to 2. So I'll just return answer from here. And to fairly reduce the time taken, I'll specify my C++ compiler not to import any library from C that will be helping me to take input or give output anything to the terminal. So I'll just specify my cin.ty to be null, cout.ty to be null. I'll just try running this out. Everything should work fine. Yes, it's working fine. Let me just submit this out. Yes, it's working as expected. We bet 100% people with our complexity. Feel free to add anything in the comment section if you think anything is unclear. Thank you.